Are you a new Avon representative and you are not sure how to enter your customers' orders? I am here to the rescue. Hi, my name is Angeline, and I am a team leader. I am a national recruiter with Avon, and this training session is to help my team primarily, but any Avon representative to understand how to place an order for your customer. As you may know, Avon operates on a campaign system. A campaign is for 2 weeks, lasts for 2 weeks, and it's from campaign 1 through to 26. And as we are in the year 2023, the campaign year ran from the beginning of January and will end towards the end of December. And it's numerical, so it's 1 through 26. And the brochures, the Avon brochures, like this one, runs concurrently with each campaign. And so that's what we use. This is our store. So this is what we use to show our customers, friends, and family. And they look at the items and select them. The price is there, the description is there, and it helps them to select the item that they need. Of course, they can also do so online because we have the digital version of this catalog that they can see online and select the items, put the items in their cart, and so on to be shopping. So that's a little bit on a little background information about the campaigns and the brochures. Now I'm going to be sharing my screen so that I can show you. So my screen becomes large and I become small in the corner here. And now you have showed your brochures to customers, or you may have sent them the link to your website, which is your free website, your free online store given to you by Avon to run your business. And they have selected that they want XYZ items. Now you are going to place the items on their behalf. And so you would come to, this is your back office. This is avon.com. I am using a computer. The layout, the system is pretty much the same. The layout is a little bit different when you're using a phone. On your phone, you know, your menu is to the left side of your phone. Well, most Androids, I'm an Android user. And the 3 lines is normally the menu that you would click on, and you would see pretty much the same thing that you are seeing here. So to place an order for your customer, you have a number of options. The first one that I'm going to be doing is where you see shop by product. Now, whether you're using your phone or online or the computer, shop by product is normally at the top. You would select shop by product. Shop by product is helpful, especially if you already have the product number that the customer requires. And so here you go, it says shop by product, and immediately below that you will say select a customer. Now the default customer is me, or in your case, you as an Avon representative, and it says order for myself. To the right of that, you will see a drop down. You click on it, and you will see your customers that are already in your address book. I had done a previous video, which I will link to this one for you to know how to add customers to your address book. And here is where you would pull up the name of the customer that is already in your address book, or you can add them. Towards the bottom of the drop down, you'll see the word, the plus sign, and it says add new customer. You can click on it and add the customer. Now, this is where you will put the information for your customer. So you would select the name of your customer that you would want to be using, and then you would enter the product number here. Now, Avon, they have made the system so user-friendly now that you can either put the number in, and as you can see, this each product has a 6-digit number. But in this case, I only put 3 numbers in, and it's already populating there with products that begin with those 3 digits. And so it makes it easier, and it's coming up Haiku, Kyoto Flower, Eau de Parfum. So this is, if this were the fragrance I want, all I would do is click on it and then add to order. So it would be added to this customer's name that is there, and it would be added to order. The beauty about it is, if I did not know the number, the product number for the customer, for the item, I could just be typing Haiku and then put Kyoto Flower, and it's coming up there. This is Haiku Kyoto Flower Intense, and the Haiku Kyoto Flower that I was selecting below before, it is right here. And then I would just click on the item, and again, I would go add to order. And so that is one way in which I can add my customer's order, and you would build on it. As if the customer has 2 items, 1 item, 10 item, you would just be adding them and put add to order. And then you would go to the next customer and you do similarly. It's easier to add the items under each customer. And I will explain to you more in the video. Well, you will see it, you will understand that clearer when we go through the video for creating your customer invoice, because it simplifies it so much when you've entered the items under the particular customer's names. So you would do the same thing for each name. You would just add it and do their order and add to order and so on. So that is one way. The other way is to go through the digital brochure. So this is the digital brochure. We are currently in campaign 17. You would click on campaign 17, and the same way you would flip through the brochure, this is just so cool. You can flip through the brochure, digital brochure, the same way. And wherever you see the pink circle with the shopping bag in it, it is selectable. And so you click on it, and the particular item related to that circle pops up. And this is where you can now, again, it is defaulted for order for myself, but you can always change the name right here, or you can add a new customer. The system has really come a long way and has made it so much more user-friendly for anyone to be able to use. You just do it 2 times and then you become a pro. Trust me, it is so much. You should have been here when we just changed over to this system. It was really challenging for us to do so. So it's really good. So you do the same thing and you click through, find the item, click on the pink box and add it to the customer's name. Now, when you've done all of that, I think those are pretty much the two main ways that you would, I'm sorry. There's another way. You can go shop. And so this, again, I'm using a computer. So when you're using your phone, you would go shop, under shop, and then you would see shop by category. You choose a category that you like. I love skincare, so I'll go to skincare. I just hover over skincare. It becomes pink, and then it gives me all of this category, brands, concern, and discover. And it's just so good. There's so much information that you can find. So let's go. So we're looking under concern, fine lines. I have a customer that is concerned about fine lines. So you click on fine lines, and these are the solutions for fine lines. And the item, you click on the item and the same thing happens as before. It comes up. The default is order for myself. You click, find the customer if they're in your address book, or add them as a new customer, and voila, it is in your shopping cart. Now, I'm gonna go now to, this video is a little longer than I intended. So there's some stuff in my shopping bag here. There are two items. So this is now where, in the same way, if you were to go to a store, to supermarket, and you go aisle by aisle, selecting the items, putting them in your cart. This way now we are shopping for our customer. We're putting the items under our customer's name. So here now in the shopping bag, we would see the list of customers right here with the number of items and with the cost for the total cost for the items that the customer has ordered. And you will see that you can click on the customer's name, double check that you have all the customers' items, the products that they require, and the price. Check on that as well, so that you can be sure of what you are ordering. So this is where you kind of do a check and balance thing, where you can see the shopping bag with the items. And this is where you can add brochures if you're ordering brochure, which I would recommend that you do each campaign. Order you some brochures. If you don't have brochures, it's as if your store is closed, right? And your specials would be under there. If you have a coupon that you would need to add a coupon code, then you scroll lower, you see coupon code, you enter your coupon code here for you to get. I think today there's a coupon code I can enter which says heat 100, right? And I can apply it, and voila, Avon Live free gift with 100 order while supplies last. So and then when I go under here, I'll be able to see, well, it's not showing up, but I'll be able to get, I'll get the items, the free items that goes with this campaign. So that is how we add our customers' order to the system. And then now if I was ready to check out, then I would just go check out. It's asking me to add brochures, but I already had placed an order and got my brochures, so I'm not adding brochures. So I just go check out. And then I would go here. It tells where the shipping is going to. It's ground shipping. I go continue, and then I pay for my order, and then I would submit my order. So that is the way the system operates for you to be able to place your customer's order on their behalf. I will do another video which will speak about your direct delivery customers, because customers can shop from your store direct, and Avon process those orders and they are delivered directly to them. If you find value in this video, I ask of you, please, to share it with someone that you think would benefit from it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, my request is that you kindly subscribe to my channel, because I do share valuable information here that you can benefit from. If you're a part of my team, I'm so glad to have you and to be of service to you. You know where to find me if you need me. This is another training video made specifically for you so that you can build your business the best way possible. God bless you. One love. If you are not yet a rep, I would love to be of service to you. Avon is one of the best companies, 135 years and counting. If that's not experience, then I don't know what is. It certainly is. And so I'm happy to be a representative, and I would love to be of service to you if you wish to start an Avon business. God bless you. One love. See you on the next one.